Balitang Philstar tayo on Mama Entrada and Miss Kylene Alcantara. Ang sabi dito, sumakses. Actresses Kylene Alcantara and Mama Entrada recalled their rags to riches stories at a press conference in Makati City recently daw po. Aba, nakakabuhay naman ng itong sulat ni Philstar. Ang sabi dito, basahin kaya natin para masaya. Para alam natin anong laman. O, diba? Okay, full circle. Ang nakasulat dito ay dated May 5, 2025. Ito pong balita nito isinulat May 5, 2025. So that is today. Sabi dito ng Philstar Entertainment. Full circle moment, Kylene Alcantara, Mama Entrada recalls success story. Actresses Kylene Alcantara and Mama Entrada recalled their rags to riches stories at a press conference in Makati City recently, as they were introduced as new brand ambassador of global lifestyle brand Avon. Kylene and Mama shared how honored they are to go from merely browsing the brand's brochures to becoming the brand's new endorsers. For me, it's like a rite of passage for every celebrity to be an Avon girl. It's one of those I made it moments, said the event's host Raymond Gutierrez. I feel very blessed po talaga kasi dati po, bata pa po ako, nung nakakatanggap pa po kami ng mga vouchers, tanda ko pa po, nakakakita pa kami ng perfume doon at nirarab pa namin. Aba, ginawa ko rin to noon yung vouchers. Tapos ngayon, ayan. Tadan! Ay, tapos ngayon daw, ikaw na ang nasa loob ng mga vouchers at magazines nila, Gutierrez affirmed. Thank you. Kaya nga po, very blessed ako na maging parte ako ng pamilyang ito. Hindi ko akalain talaga yan ang sabi ng isang Meridel Mama Entrada. Maymay and Kylene are the new faces of Avon's iconic Ultra lipstick, now with 25% off, more pigment for bold, true to life color in every swipe, available in 25 shades. The lipstick promises to be ultra rich, ultra comfortable, and ultra satisfying. Para sa akin, it's really a full circle moment dahil katulad ni Maymay, simula bata pa lang, ako ay parte na ako of the brand's family, Kylene answered. According to her, her mom was a seller for the brand, so becoming its endorser is truly a success story. Mag-share lang po ako ng konti. Ang aking mom ay parte na ng mga nagbebenta ng Avon. She's an Avon lady, yes. So ang Avon po, dati ang parte na nagbibigay ng pagkain sa aming table. So it's really a full circle moment dahil isang karangalan talaga. It's really empowering yung message nila para sa lahat. To be bold, to be powerful, to express your authenticity. Yan. I'm really all for that. Sabi ng Dilag. Diba? So yan pong balitang yan ay isinulat po ng Philstar dated May 5, 2025, 11:13 a.m. by Denny Rose M. Afinidad Bernardo. From Philstar, Alexander Jules, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Age reveal!
Good afternoon din po everyone po.
Ikaw naman, Kylene, and greet everyone also.
Good afternoon everyone. Sana po ay mag-enjoy lang tayo ngayong hapon and for sure marami kayong matututunan.
I wanted to ask you guys this. How does it feel to be a part of this iconic global brand like Avon? I mean, for me, I think it's a rite of passage for every celebrity to be an Avon girl. I think this is one of those I've made it moments. How does it feel to be a part of this family?
May lalo na po ako na bago po ako sa pamilyang ito. I felt very blessed po talaga kasi knowing Avon po na they really prioritize po talaga yung good quality ng product nila. Kasi dati pala po talaga, bata pa ako. Sorry po, bata pa po ako talaga. No,
Bata ka.
ng mga vouchers, bumibili po kami doon. So, yung tandaan ko po, nakabili po kami ng perfume. Tapos nirarab pa nga namin yung mga vouchers dito para may amoy.
Grabe, ikaw ngayon ang nasa laman ng
Tapos
mga
ngayon,
brochures sa magazines nila.
Thank you. Kaya nga po, very blessed ako na maging parte ako ng pamilya ito. Hindi ko akalain po talaga. So, thank you po, Avon family, for having me po.
Ikaw naman, Kylie. I know you have your own Avon story.
Yes, I do. And para sa akin, it's really a full circle moment. Dahil katulad ni Maymay, simula bata pa lang po ako, parte na talaga ako ng Avon family. Mag-share lang po ako ng kaonte. Ang aking mom ay parte ng nagbebenta ng Avon.
Wow! Avon lady! Wow!
Yes. So, ang Avon po dati ang nagbibigay ng pagkain sa aming
Wow, grabe. So many Avon stories today.
Yes,
Palakpakan po natin yan.
so it's really a full circle moment dahil isang karangalan talaga na maging parte ng Avon family. It's really empowering. I mean, yung ipinapahayag ng Avon, yung message nila para sa lahat, to be bold, to be powerful, to express your authenticity. I am really all for that.
Wow, amazing. Girls, I'm so proud of you.